Hi, my name is Greg Sigler, Vice President of SkyWarrior Flight Training, and today we're going to be taking a look at our cost calculator located on our website. So we had this cost calculator developed because we get a lot of inquiries from people with a variety of different backgrounds on what their estimated training costs are going to look like at SkyWarrior. So developing this tool can give you, the potential customer, a real-time estimate of what your estimated cost will look like here at SkyWarrior. So let's just take a look at how this tool works. You'll come down here. Now these blue buttons are representative of full courses. And then you have our price per hour below it. So if you're brand new to aviation and want to start at the private pilot level, maybe you click on this Private Pilot 141 and it's going to generate a total estimated cost. Now that cost for this private pilot in this example is going to correspond to one of our packages listed on our private pilot website. And there you can actually see the broken out step-by-step cost of what this $7,685 is generated from. So dual, ground, check ride, you know, the total cost that gets to that price. But quite often, a lot of our customers will already have some type of previous flight training. In that case, you can fill in the gaps with what you think you need here at the hourly instruction rates listed below. So for argument's sake, let's just say whatever rating you're working on, you think, you know what, it looks like I need 10 more hours of dual flight instruction and about 10 hours of ground school. So what you can do is you can come down here and Cessna 172 with instructor, so that's dual 172 time, 10 hours. And then you come down and you see instructor per hour. Let's say I'm going to need 10 hours with an instructor without a plane, just, you know, ground school, pre-post, 10 hours. And you have a total estimated cost of $2,400, and you can see that is the broken out price. So that gives you, or this tool rather, gives you a real-time estimate of what your cost will look like here at SkyWarrior. And this is basically the same information we're going to send back to you should you send us an email asking what an estimated cost of training would be. So we highly encourage you to take a look at this. We hope you find our prices competitive. But as always, if you have any other questions or want to give us a call, click on that Contact Us button located in the header, and we would be more than happy to hear from you. And we hope that you will come down here and consider SkyWarrior for your flight training needs. But check out all of our other videos on our website pages and website for the most up-to-date information regarding SkyWarrior and our flight training processes here. Thanks for watching and have a great day.